I go back to the start point located at 0. I feed again. I go back to my start point. I feed again here. Now I'm going to remove 0.25. Now threads are well cutted because this nut is just inside this bolt. Now we can remove the half nut. We can remove the nut also. By the use of this file, we can just remove some sharp edge here on the top. Let's screen. It's okay. We finish the thread cutting. We remove the reed screw command. We turn to the feed load. As you see, the feed load is the only shaft rotating. Once you finish to cut threads, please remove the reed screw command and release the half nut also. Now it's time to walk to the other side. If you want, you can start. You can reverse the direction. Then you start from outside coming inside. (15.2). If you start from this side, you have to reverse the motion. Now I'm going to remove 0.2. So this will give us a smooth surface. And if you check, there will be a chamfer here. This chamfer will be at 60 degrees. And the chamfer will come after getting a diameter of 47. Then our job will be finished. We are going to look to a diameter of 47. Remember the outside diameter of a blank material is 50. I just want to remove this sharp edge on the other side by using this tool. Now it's time for chamfering. Let's put it at 45. Remember, this operation is like taper turning. Our diameter is equal to 24. The distance also is equal to 140. Exactly 140. It is exactly 140. It's 140. Then we create threads at a distance of 48 millimeter. Remember, this is a metric threads, and we checked by this nut. We put the nut inside. Now this operation, this operation is well done. As you see, if you check on our blueprint or drawing, there will be an hexagonal head here, and the Lathe machine is not able to create an hexagonal head. The hexagonal head of our bolt will be done using a milling machine. Thank you for watching this 4th session of our lesson. See you next time. Our next session will be Lathe machining work between centers.